heard or seen of the action movie Taken. It depicts the horrors of human sex trafficking, which the main character's daughter falls prey to while traveling in pairs. Throughout the film, the relentless father pursues the kidnappers in order to save his daughter. However, in the real world, not many of us can say that we have a former CIA dad to come to our rescue if we were to be taken. In fact, most victims of sex trafficking don't. Whether we be college students serving on a mission trip abroad or adults working a 9-to-5, anyone can fall victim to or be affected by sex trafficking. As Christians, it is our responsibility to tend to the afflicted and needy. Thus, I have done much research on this topic of concern for those who are trapped in this nightmare. Nevertheless, rest assured that sex trafficking is a global issue that can be stopped, which is why I'm here today. So in a moment, I will discuss the magnitude of this problem and reveal an effective solution on how to put it to an end. As stated before, sex trafficking is a problem. One, it's widespread and it's everywhere. According to the Institute of Medicine in 2012, part of the U.S. National Assemblies, this chart depicts the different regions across the globe of the reported sex trafficking cases. It shows, according to the blue, orange, and green, years 2010, 2011, and 2012. But keep in mind these are only reported cases because there's many that don't go reported. 2, it's a dirty and big business. According to the government FBI website, sex trafficking is the fastest growing business of organized crime and the third largest criminal enterprise in the world. Like slavery, it is an unethical business. 3, it is in violation of human rights. It violates our freedom from torture. According to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Article 5 states, "No one shall be subjected to torture or to cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment." As I see it, sex trafficking is a problem because it is widespread and it is an unethical business as well as in violation of human rights. Which brings me to my next and final point. Donating to organizations is an effective solution. Donating supports people who are already fighting against sex trafficking, such as the Red Thread Movement, the Polaris Project, as well as DNA, an organization against child sex trafficking, which was founded in 2009 by Demi Moore and Ashton Kutcher. You may have heard of Real Men Don't Buy Girls, which is founded by DNA or promoted by DNA, and celebrities, usually male celebrities like Jamie Foxx and others, are the ones holding these signs and speaking out against child sex trafficking. Donating is also important because it allows you to stay involved. Once you donate, you are updated on the organization's whereabouts and they provide you information with news and alerts. For example, the Polaris Project, an organization against human sex trafficking founded in 2002, does this as well. And by you being informed on the organization's whereabouts, you are able to tell your friends, your neighbors, and promote awareness and help others donate to these organizations as well. Donating helps you to also directly provide for a victim, or a real sex trafficking victim or survivor. For example, Freedom House, active in 2010, is a nonprofit organization that houses sex trafficking survivors. And on their site, they mentioned that based on how much you donate, you can give a sex trafficking survivor food, clothing, water, shelter, and even school supplies based on how much you donate, which is very encouraging to sex trafficking survivors, and it gives them hope to carry on this new life that they have once they're out. Opposed to that, when they have nothing, many do return to their sex trafficking lifestyle because it is all that they have known, and they were being provided for, even though the situations were really harmful. So I hope I've made it clear that donating is an effective solution due to your support and your involvement, as well as your direct provision to a victim. So in conclusion, sex trafficking is a global issue that can be stopped. I hope, after speaking today, I hope you understand the magnitude of this problem, as well as donating as an effective solution. I'll end with a scripture from Psalm 82:4 to remind us of our responsibilities as Christians to the needy. It reads, "Rescue the poor and helpless, deliver them from the grasp of evil people."